Hello Easy Chefs, welcome back to Easy Kitchen. I'm your Chef Tony. Today we're gonna have something a little special. We're gonna have breakfast today. Instead of dinner, lunch, brunch, we're gonna have breakfast. We're gonna make us some pancakes. But first, if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button, ring that notification bell, ring that like bell also. And here we go. I got here something easy. All you do is add water. I added about 2 cups of pancake mix to almost about 3/4 a cup of water. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of cinnamon. A teaspoonful of cinnamon, teaspoonful of vanilla extract, I'm gonna mix that in real good. Gonna make it real nice and sweet. You might not need syrup for this. And we're gonna come over to the skillet where the grease is getting hot. You roll these sleeves up. Yeah. Turn that heat down a little bit. I had it on medium high. Put it on medium. Let's test this out first. Yeah. Turn this down a little more. You want to wait till the bubbles are on top. Then you flip it. Some people put strawberries in their pancake mix, chocolate chips in their pancake mix. If you do that, you might not need syrup. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm using log cabin today. You could use Aunt Jemima, or is it Aunt Jemima? Mrs. Buttersworth. Let's flip this. Look out, y'all. It's gonna flip. Got the little crunchy parts on the side right here. You just tear those off. I might count this as a fail, y'all. I don't know what y'all think. It looks edible though. I'm still gonna eat it. Let's see if it's done. Oh yeah, that's done. I'll give this to my wife.